What is skip and ghost? Ghost, or false positive, is a result that indicates that a given condition is present when it is not. In real world, a false positive, ghost count, would result in an innocent party being found guilty, while a false negative, skip count, would produce an innocent verdict for a guilty person. Ghost count is a test result, which wrongly indicates that a particular condition or attribute is present. Skip count is an error, in which a test result improperly indicates no presence of a condition. This kind of error or skip is usually called false negative. The false negative rate is the proportion of positives which yield negative test outcomes with the test. That is, the conditional probability of a negative test result, given that the condition being looked for is present. Here comes ghost count. He is moving towards upside. But add count 1 in downside, that becomes 2. Now skip count. A man is moving towards upside, but no increment is added in upside direction. This is called skip count. Watch carefully. Again, a man is moving upside but count increment and downside. This is another example of ghost count. An increment is added in up direction, that becomes 5, although he has not crossed the line. Second skip count. The same man now moves towards downside direction, but no increment in downside direction. This is skip count. Again, ghost count. A man is moving upside direction but increment in downside direction, that becomes 9.